Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning how Earth is a cosmic school. Therefore, you have to learn more about your cosmic self, which is actually that part of you which is light. You have a light body. In other words, you have a visible body that you can see, you can touch, you can smell, you can taste, you can do all of these things. Okay, because this body is what you use to contact this physical three-dimensional world. But you have also a non-physical body, which is your light body, your cosmic body. And not until you learn to live from the cosmic world, which is the invisible world, where you can draw from the invisible substance, which is the alchemical substance. Not until you get that knowledge and know how to draw from that spring that keeps flowing up, that everlasting and eternal spring. Not until you draw from that and drink from that well will you discover that you are a cosmic being and that you are invisible and eternal. That is your true essence. So when you learn that Earth is a cosmic school, you will realize that everything is working together for your good. Everything is actually a lesson to teach you how to become the best version of yourself. So you're supposed to see everything as a lesson to teach you more about who you are. Therefore, my encouragement to you is to make sure that you find time to be alone so you can think. Find time to meditate where you can calm your mind down and where you can focus and visualize your life whichever way you want it to be. Because everything is taking place first inwardly and then it's been expressed outwardly. So in this cosmic school, the main thing you're supposed to learn is to focus your energy inwardly and not outwardly. Okay, but unfortunately, most people were taught to look outwardly. For example, we all were taught the Bible to be literal and secular history and to look for a savior outwardly. So most people are looking in the sky for a sky god. But when you realize that God is the creative force, that life force, that intelligence that is within you, then you will use that intelligence to shape and mold your life whichever way you want it to be. And most likely you're going to shape it to reflect all of nature, because nature always brings forth bountifully. And you're also told that the Lord thy God is a sun and a shield, and no good thing will he withhold from you. And if you look around, you see that the sun have never withhold its energy from all of humanity. For the sun is what powers all of humanity and give humanity that vitality. Okay, and anything that the sun shines upon, as I said earlier, it brings forth bountifully. So if your life is not bringing forth bountifully, it's because you're not living your life cosmically. It is because you're out of alignment with the rest of nature. Moreover, you're out of alignment with your light body. You see, when you realize that God and man are one, and that God in man is man's imagination, then you would realize why I always teach that the sun, as in the sun, it parallels the human imagination, and the human imagination parallels the sun. For without the sun, there's no life and there's no light. And without the human imagination, there isn't anything made that was made. So you must master the law of mentalism if you're going to understand your cosmic self. If you're going to rule and reign in this world knowing that Earth is a cosmic school. So you're here to discover who you are, which means true salvation is self-realization, which also means that the power to redeem yourself is within you. The power to save yourself is within you. In short, everything is within you, because everything is mental, everything is psychological, everything has to first be a thought, it has to first be an idea, it has to first be imagined. So anyone that is pointing to look outside of yourself, they want to keep you under their control. So there are those who want to always keep you under their control. That is why religion and politics, those are the two things that they are using to disempower you. So my encouragement to you is to make sure to mind your own business by understanding that your mind is your business. So don't look to anyone else, but look to self, because there's no one to change but self. And you cannot change the systems. The system will always be here, but you have the power to change yourself. That's why you're told not to be conformed, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. This message comes to you at the right time to help you to renew your mind and to learn that Earth is a cosmic school, and you can live your life cosmically by living from inside out and learning to create your reality consciously by becoming a conscious and deliberate creator. You can become whatever you want to become, have whatever you want to have in this world, be whatever you want to be in this world, if you focus your energy inwardly and understand that the secret of the universe is built upon energy, vibration, and frequency, and that you are a mass of energy and you vibrate on frequency through your thought frequency, and your brain is a transmitter and a receiver of such frequency. So my brother, my sisters, learn more about your cosmic self and learn more about the universal laws that governs all of humanity, and that will help you to understand that the Bible addresses the human mind and must be interpreted psychologically. It must be understood esoterically and metaphysically. But they want you to understand it exoterically, and they want you to think that it is literal and secular history. They want you to take personification for persons, and they want you to take allegory for history. So my brother, my sister, I want to really thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if you really believe that Earth is a cosmic school and you're here to learn and to discover your power by knowing who you are, I will definitely encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share this video. Also, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me and these things sound new to you, I will definitely encourage you to become a part of my university, which is Free Thinkers and Seekers University. And I've already uploaded specialized Bible study for abundance and prosperity, and I'm going to keep uploading. Okay, I'm going to get very much more active on my university and keep every month there'll be something new. Okay, so every month, okay, from the end of this month, I'll have something different, and from there on, every month I'll be posting something different to teach you, okay, to educate you more about, you know, who you are and how to use your power and how to escape the matrix. Okay, also, if you haven't gotten my latest book, I'll definitely encourage you to get it. It's called The Secret Vagina Mystery of the Virgin Birth, and is where I'm teaching you about the Immaculate Conception and how you can bring forth on all three levels, which is the physical, the psychological, and the spiritual. But they make you believe that you can only bring forth from the physical only. That's why they make sure they impress your subconscious mind with the story of Jesus and Mary to keep you looking outward and keep you in poverty, mental slavery, mediocrity, and anything that is negative and you keep in your lower self. That's what they're doing to you when they interpret it to you that way. Okay, so I definitely encourage you to get a book plus Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, how to turn water into wine, your mood is your fortune, meditate to eradicate poverty, and much more. Okay, not forgetting also the 66 books of magic, the Overcomer's Bible, where Jesus have been omitted. There's a blank space for you to write your name, which is I am. Okay, for I am is the name of all of humanity. And you can never say I am and not referring to yourself. And the name of God is I am, from generation to generation. And remember, the universal question of life would always be, who am I? And when the answer comes, it must be I am. That I am. Okay. Also, If you're not part of my Patreon community and you'd like to become a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. You can definitely start with $5. You can start with $10. But for those who are donating $20 or more, you have access to my course, which is the Inner Sun Science and Technology to create your reality consciously. And along with that is a bonus course and self-concept. So the choice is yours. My last encouragement to you is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. Because at the end of the day, the choice you make will mean the life you will live. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I just want to say peace, love you all. I'm